Sushmita Bhattarai and I am a second year student pursuing Bachelor of Physiotherapy here at Medhavi Skills University. I chose this program because of my passion for helping people to improve their physical well-being and regain mobility. My learning experience here at Medhavi Skills University has been transformative. The university's teaching styles combines theoretical classes and hands-on trainings which are crucial for our clinical skills. Throughout my journey, I have experienced and developed my essential skills in patient assessment and therapy techniques. And also the faculty here has been incredibly supportive, offering guidance and encouragement every step of the way. And also my mentor instrumental in helping me to refine my clinical skills and develop compassionate approach to patient care. And also the university has shaped my career goals by equipping me with necessary skills and developed confidence to work in various healthcare settings. In future, I aspire to specialize in sports physiotherapy and contribute to the recovery and well-being of athletes. Lastly, I wholeheartedly recommend Medhavi Skills University to anyone considering a career in physiotherapy.